When I was studying in the ashram as a young monk, I was walking to my next class with a friend, and along the way, without realizing, some ants had crawled up on my shoulder. When I became aware of them, I was suddenly startled and brushed it off. I had caught only one ant, and my friend stopped me. She very gently took her hand to my shoulder, let the ant crawl onto her hand. She then went far to a nearby plant and held her hand so that the ant could crawl onto the leaf. I watched her, and this incident made a huge impression on my mind. It really helped me understand the word Ahimsa. Hinduism is known for Ahimsa, and it usually gets translated as non-violence. But this is not a very accurate translation because we can't really live in complete non-violence. Anyone who has done any gardening, we pull out the weeds, which is equivalent to killing them, and we prune the plants so that they grow better, which is cutting them. A better way to translate the word Ahimsa, Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda used to say, is doing the least harm. My action of, even though I was startled and I had no intention to hurt the ant and didn't actually hurt it, but my action of brushing it off was still violent, especially if you compare it to my friend's, which was so gentle and with so much care, doing the least amount of harm. When we talk about doing least amount of harm, very often people get very tunnel vision and think Ahimsa is just about being vegetarian. But it's so much more than that. There's the physical aspect, but in today's world, even far more importantly, how we speak. Are we doing the least harm? So often it's not even just what we say, but how we say it. Ahimsa at the most subtle level is our very intention. Are we even aware of why we're doing what it is we are doing? And are we really paying attention to do the least amount of harm? If we sit to think about it, Ahimsa is a full-time job.